Now, since it's summer and I've been drinking an unhealthy amount of matcha lately, sorry not sorry, I've decided to build my own matcha brand. And here's the challenge. I'm going to do it using nothing but AI prompts. And if you want to follow along, you'll find all the tools and prompts I'm going to use as a free downloadable in the description below. The very first thing I'm going to do is open ChatGPT and ask what actually makes a business brand. I want a framework I can follow throughout my brand creation. Okay, according to ChatGPT here, a brand comes down to 7 different things. Purpose and values, or why the business exists beyond making money, brand identity, or the visible stuff like the name, logo, colors, typography, and tagline. Brand positioning, aka how the business is different from competitors. Brand personality, or if the brand were a person, what would they actually be like? Then customer experience, so things like product quality, customer service, website delivery, social media, all of that great stuff. Now, reputation, or what customers, employees, and the public actually say, and emotional connection, or the feeling that the brand creates. So with that framework in place, let's build a brand, shall we? Oh, and this is the first video in our Build With Me series where we build real websites, products, and businesses. So if you want to enjoy building with AI, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video. Now, after asking ChatGPT to help me build a brand for a new matcha coffee shop, before I even know it, it's back with 4 different concepts. But the truth is, I don't really like any of them. They all feel like variations of the same thing, aesthetic and minimalist cafes designed for people who already love matcha. And that's not where that opportunity is. Most matcha brands feel niche, and I want to build the opposite. Not a brand for matcha enthusiasts, but for everyone who hasn't discovered matcha yet. Kind of like Starbucks of matcha. That's going to be my brand positioning. So I'm gonna give ChatGPT a new direction. This brand needs to actually be the Starbucks of matcha. A lot of matcha places are cute and aesthetic coffee shops that are standalone places, not part of a chain. I want to create a brand that's automatically recognizable and becomes the to-go place for matcha. Okay, so ChatGPT is breaking down why the Starbucks brand is so powerful. And the big takeaway that I'm getting is that Starbucks is selling familiarity, consistency, status, and routine. People know exactly what they're getting, no matter where they are in the world. That's exactly what my matcha brand needs to do. It's also helping me refine the positioning and the brand personality. And it's actually outlining the purpose of the brand too. So it's a world where choosing matcha is as normal as choosing coffee. I like the sign of that. And it even gives me a tagline that I absolutely love. The world's favorite matcha. Okay, I'm stealing that one for sure, okay? Now, a tagline is just one piece of a brand's identity. I'm going to be building the rest. Remember, a brand identity includes all of these things, and that's what people see when they interact with the brand. Now, I'm going to be starting with the name. So my next prompt is going to be super simple, okay? Come up with brand names for my matcha chain. And I can see that ChatGPT is already taking different directions. Now, some of the names are built around the color green, others focus on energy, some are completely invented words actually, and some hint at matcha without actually saying it. But none of these really convince me, so I'm gonna keep prompting, refining, and going back and forth until one finally stands out. Golden. Now, I like it because it feels bigger than matcha. It's simple, memorable, and easy to recognize pretty much anywhere in the world. Now that I have the name, I'm gonna ask AI to generate a color palette and typography. And just within a few seconds, it's giving me a full visual direction. Now, if I wanted the color codes, then I just have to request that, of course. And honestly, this already feels like a real brand. Next, I'm gonna ask AI to show me the colors in action and send me an image of what the packaging would look like. I love it, but I'm not sold on the logo, so I'm gonna ask it to include a Japanese sun or the letter G in Japanese, and after a few tweaks, there we go, perfect. And that's the brand identity done. Now, there are still 3 elements missing from our list, and since I'm just starting out, I can't do anything about the reputation right now. So for the rest of this video, I'm going to focus entirely on building my website and making sure that emotional connection is felt throughout. And that's exactly why my next step is taking everything we've built and asking AI to turn it into a complete brand brief written in full sentences, because that's what I'm going to use to generate the golden website. All right, it looks great to me. Let's build the website. Now, to create the website, I'm going to connect Hostinger Horizons to ChatGPT because it's actually super simple. And you can use my link in the description and the coupon code to get a little discount. 1. Go to apps and find Hostinger. 2. Hit connect. And 3. Back in my chat, click on the plus button and add Hostinger. Now, once it's connected, I can build directly from the same chat. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to use all the information it has about my brand to create a website with Horizons, and a few minutes later, the first version is gonna be ready. Now, this is a great first version, but it needs some tweaking. I'm gonna go back to ChatGPT and ask it to help me write a more detailed design prompt for Horizons. And I want something that feels less like a coffee shop and more like an iconic beverage company. You know, big typography, product first design, lots of white space, something that could scale globally, similar to this image right here. And here's the prompt that I'm going to paste into Horizons. I'm actually really digging this one right now. Now, from here, I'm going to use the same chat to make smaller changes across the whole website. For example, I'm going to ask Horizons to make the Our Story page feel more consistent with the home page and remove pages that I don't need, like app and careers. Now, for the menu page, I'm actually going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to find a reference image with a style that I like and ask ChatGPT to turn that into a design prompt, and then paste that prompt directly into Horizons. Now, this is basically the workflow that I'm going to go through for the whole website. Create a version, review it, identify what's missing, and use AI to refine it until it matches the brand I'm trying to build. Now, the next step is to turn the website into something people can actually buy from. Now, luckily, Horizons has built-in e-commerce, so I can integrate a store throughout the chat. I'm going to create the product visuals right here with Nano Banana, and I'll just upload a reference image and prompt it to create product mockups for these 4 items from the golden menu. And finally, I'm gonna ask Horizons to add my product images right here. So, in just a few steps, I've gone from a brand idea to a website with products that are ready to sell. Now, if you're building a more advanced online store with things like inventory management and more complex checkout flows, I'd recommend that you check out Hostinger e-commerce. I've left a link in the description as well as a special coupon code for you to try out. Either way, with some plans you get a free domain and a business email for up to a year, so make sure you make use of them as well. And there we go. That's it. Now Golden Matcha has everything it needs to start operating like a real brand. A website, a custom domain, and a professional email address. Remember, to help you build your own brand, I put all the prompts I used in this video into a free download in the description. So don't forget to grab it before you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.